Go.
Hi, my name is Valentina, and this is my code for the competition project. Now I'm going to run it.
Okay. Welcome to my world, everyone. I like doing. Oh my god, this animation is so cool. I actually like both of your idea of doing something like this. When I am older, I will be an author and illustrator. Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool. So one is gonna be Rosa is want to be an actress, and you want to be an author and illustrator. That's cool. So you both can even go with the. Is that from you? Is that the code? No. All right. So that's cool. I actually like that ideas. All right. So thank you, Valentina, for submitting your project.